So you're not going to be able to see too much here, but I'll try and give you a little bit of a glance. You can check the photos as well. But what we're looking at here, that lovely shiny pool, is actually the water residing on top of the concrete. There we go. First pour of concrete's in. One more to do on Thursday. And then the weekend, got the very helpful Darren coming to do the foundation walls. A little bit gobsmacked actually, because I've not really got my head round ever being out of the trenches, and here we are out of the trenches, so I think that deserves a woohoo, so woohoo! Later!